What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and we are back today with another free play video for you. Yesterday, if you guys watched, we cashed the free play yesterday over on Prizepicks. We took Logan Thompson of Washington, the goalie there, for 22.5 as a goalie saves. He ended up getting 24, cashed that one with Holden Willis over 50 receiving yards. He got 92, so we went 5 into 11.25. Can't complain. We took profit there. Second one, this one was over on VIP. We took Jose Ramirez to get one base. He absolutely made us sweat on that one. He got that one in the final inning, hit a homer, hit that one over, and then we took Omari Kelly under 86.5 receiving yards, 5 into 15 there. This was another one. I can't remember if I gave this one out for free on Winible or not. But this one was definitely on VIP. Aaron Judge over one base, and then Holden Willis over 63.5 receiving yards. Hit that one 10 into 30. We hit this one over on Chalkboard. Evan Bullock, 2 passing touchdowns. Connor McDavid over 1 assist. That one we had to sweat out as well. Connor McDavid got the assist in the last 3 minutes of the third period. So sweat out that one. Hit that one though. And then we hit this nice little 5X 4-man over on Dabble. So that is some of the those were the recap for yesterday. But I got 2 free plays for you today. I want to hook you guys up. If you guys aren't on Winible, go over to winnable.com/907fantasysports. Go over there and sign up for my free plan. This is where I send out free plays every single day. So you can go ahead and get over there. It's absolutely free to do. Go sign up. If you guys are interested in more of the plays every day with all of my plays, that's going to be on the VIP College Football NFL Week Pass. You can get it right now for 75% off with code CHASE. It's usually $100. It's going to get you it for $25. So go ahead and take advantage of that over there. But let's hop into the free play. We're going over on BETR. So BETR, if you guys are new to BETR, go ahead and use the code 907fantasy when signing up, or the link down in the description below. They're going to hook you up with a $200 welcome bonus plus a free square. So we're taking Shohei Ohtani to get one base tonight. We're matching that up with, I believe it's Dean Patterson, but D. Patterson, Florida International, over 60.5 receiving yards. So love that one. 10 into 30 over on BETR. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Second one is over on Sleeper Fantasy. Now, if you guys are new to Sleeper, go use the code 907fantasy over there. Get signed up. They're going to hook you up with a $100 welcome bonus. So that's going to be a free $100 for you. Go ahead and put $10 on this one. We're taking Francisco Lindor to get one hit, run, or RBI tonight. It's discounted play over on Sleeper. Matching that up with Bo Nix of the Denver Broncos tomorrow to throw for 192 passing yards. This is a low line for him. He's been hitting this the last couple games. Finally finding his groove in the NFL. So I love this line here at 192. Taking the over there, $10 into 29.30. So like I said here, go ahead and use the code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with some free money to go ahead and start playing with. So those are the 2 free plays for you today. If you guys want more plays, it's going to be over on the Winible, winnable.com/907fantasysports. Let's go have a great day. We cashed 2 units yesterday is what we went up. So I guess it was 2.3. So a little over 2 units. Can't complain. We're profiting every day. If you guys want to start profiting every day with us, go ahead, go over to the Winible and get signed up for that. So good luck with all your plays today. If you're going to be telling me on this, let me know down in the comments below. All those links to all the BETR, Chalkboard, Sleeper, Winible, all those are going to be down in the description below. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.